so yummy. Hi to Aisa Lospes. Tamsak na here. Hi Aisa, kumusta ka? Boil and fry. So yummy. You know why I buy this? Thanks for asking. I'm good. Thanks for asking. Ikaw. Okay lang. I like this kind of food when my menstruation is coming. I like the sour. I like the sour taste. Yeah. Aisa, how are you, love? How's everyone, guys? Ayan. Double tap the screen and do subscribe to my channel. I'm good, Jonathan. How about you? Ayan, from Aisa. How's everyone, guys? Sarap. This is fish ball. I'm feeling sleepy. Uh-oh. This is the sauce. Let's eat. Yeah. I really like to eat this when my menstruation is coming. The sour taste, the sweet and sour taste, and I don't know. I can't sometimes. I know already if I really like this kind of food. If I go there, yeah, then I know. Good morning, lovely. Thank you, Jonathan. Good morning to you. Yes. Hi. Goodness. Spicy. Where I am from Philippines, Azga. Yeah, guys, it's really yummy. The sauce is sweet and sour. Hello from Indonesia. Ayan, si Azga. I miss eating fishball. Yeah, fishball, right? Diba mo? The sauce. Sweet and sour sauce. My goodness. Well, ha. That was intense. Yeah, right? You know what, guys? I really love this, but sometimes, like it's different. Aisa, how's your son feeling? Yeah, with onion, right? My gosh, it's spicy. Yeah. Ito, masarap yung mga sauce nila dito as in. Whew!